Hello everyone and welcome in the 16th lecture in the playlist of control system. So in the previous lecture we discussed about the third basic signal which was the impulse signal. Now let us study the last basic signal which is nothing but parabolic signal. The parabolic signal is given by t square u of t, and this is the basic diagram of a parabolic signal. Now in order to find the Laplace transform of a parabolic signal, let us see the basic equation or the basic Laplace transform of t raised to n u of t function. So the Laplace transform of t raised to n u of t is nothing but n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. Now since we have t raised to n u of t Laplace transform, we can now easily find the Laplace transform of the parabolic signal t square u of t. If you compare both this equation, we have it is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. Here the value of n is nothing but 2. So you will have the Laplace transform of t raised to 2 u of t as 2 factorial upon s raised to n plus 1 will be s raised to 2 plus 1. Now 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So the final answer we will get the Laplace transform of t square ut is nothing but 2 upon s cube. So the Laplace transform of parabolic signal t square ut is 2 upon s cube. So now with this basic example, let us solve some more examples on finding the Laplace transform on parabolic signal. So we have the first question, find the Laplace transform of t square u of t upon 2. So to get the answer of this question, I have already written the basic Laplace transform of the function t raised to n u of t, which is nothing but n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So for the given question, we can easily find the solution. So I can write t square u of t upon 2, its Laplace transform will be, it is n factorial, here n is nothing but 2, so 2 factorial upon s raised to n plus 1, so s raised to 2 plus 1 into this 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2, so I will get t square u of t upon 2 will be, I'll write this 1 by 2 as it is into 2 factorial is 2 upon s square plus 1, it's s raised s cube. So I can cancel this 2 and this 2. So the last answer or the final answer of t square u of t upon 2, its Laplace transform is 1 upon s cube. So this was the basic example on finding the Laplace transform of a parabolic signal. So let us go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, find the Laplace transform of signal r of t, and the signal is 100 t square u of t. So again we have t square u of t, so it is nothing but the form of parabolic signal. So I have already written the standard signal, which is t raised to n u of t. Its Laplace transform is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So I can write it is 100 t square u of t, and its Laplace transform will be 100 as it is from linearity property. Laplace transform of t square u of t, I will get it is 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1. So I can write 100 t square u of t. Its Laplace transform will be 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 100, it is 200 upon s cube. So the answer for 100 t square u of t, its Laplace transform is 200 upon s cube. So this was the last example, or we can say this was the last basic signal, which was parabolic signals. We also solved two examples on these signals. So we have completed the basics of signals and systems that we will require in our control system syllabus. Also, I will make a video on the summary of a Laplace transform so that we can have a good knowledge about Laplace transform that we will require in our control system. So let us end the lecture. The next lecture will be summary of Laplace transform. See you in the next lecture.